Someone requested that I make a video that shows how to do a portion of the mitosis meiosis lab, specifically the karyotype portion. So I'm going to show you. Let's look at this. This is quite simple, actually. You'll notice this looks a little bit different than the actual lab because, again, this is just one example. And basically, all you're going to do is look at these karyotypes. You're going to find what is wrong with them, and then you're going to look it up and describe what the parents could expect. So let's look at this one as an example. I'm looking at these karyotypes. These chromosomes, you should have only 2 of each chromosome. So I'm looking, and I see here that there's something wrong right there. If you notice, chromosome number 22 has 3 chromosomes instead of 2. So I realize that that's the problem. So now I need to figure out what the name is and then what the prognosis is. So I'll highlight that, and I've already pulled it up to save some time on this video, but you would just Google it, look it up on the internet. I looked it up and I found this. Excuse me. The disorder is called mosaic trisomy 22, as you can see here, and also it gives a little bit of information about what to expect. So I'm simply going to copy this. All right, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste it in there. There we go. And then I'll say this information came from this source. All right, and I did that. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to right click there so I can get the link, right? Copy link address, go back over here, and I can just paste it right in there. Another thing you could do, again, if you had copied the link, you could also do it like this. Came from this source. So I can just highlight where it says this source right there. I go up here to the top where I can insert a link, click that button, paste the link right there. And there we go. And that's all you need to do. And then, you're going to do that a number of times. And it's exactly what you're going to do for each one of them. Obviously, the only difference is going to be each karyotype you're going to look at is going to have a different abnormality, a different condition that you need to spot. And that's all you need to do. If you need any help, let me know.